Excel for Kazakhstan, Workbook Grade 5, Model 8A. Exercise 1. Look at the pictures and write the names of the sports. The first, tennis. The second, cricket. The third, basketball. The fourth, rugby. The fifth, water polo. The sixth, football. The seventh, badminton. The eighth, hockey. Exercise 2. Berik enjoyed sports. Look at the table and complete the sentences with the correct adverb of frequency. The first sentence, Berik often plays football with his friends after school. The second, he never plays water polo. The third, he sometimes plays hockey at the weekend. The fourth, he always has a tennis lesson on Fridays. The fifth, he usually plays badminton with his sister on Sunday mornings. Exercise 3. Complete the sentences. The first, we often go bowling on a Friday night. The second, do you know how to play baseball? The third, Serik and Talgat do karate. The fourth, let's go cycling at the weekend. The fifth, can you play golf? The sixth, where can I learn to do judo? Exercise 4A. Match the words to form phrases. The first, choose from. The second, win competitions. The third, take part. The fourth, competitive games. The fifth, school subjects. The sixth, silver medal. Exercise 4B. Use phrases to complete the sentences. The first, they are a good team. They always win competitions. The second, Aidar has got a silver medal for judo. The third, in our PE lessons, we can choose from basketball, football, or tennis. The fourth, the best students take part in competitions around the world. The fifth, Gulsara's favorite school subjects are math and science. The sixth, in competitive games like football and basketball, teams want to always win. Exercise 5A. Label the pictures with the names of the equipment. The first, bat. The second, helmet. The third, goggles. The fourth, hoop. The fifth, racket. The sixth, poles. The seventh, ball. The eighth, skis. Exercise 5B. Which of the above do you need to play tennis, go skiing, and play cricket? Write sentences. The first, we need a ball and a racket to play tennis. The second, we need poles, skis, and goggles to go skiing. The third, we need a bat, a ball, and a helmet to play cricket.